All right, everybody. It's another edition of Retro Rewind. This time we're going to be looking at the Commodore Amiga 500. This was my computer of choice growing up. Actually, it was the only computer I knew about growing up because my cousins had the same computer for making music, and I just thought on this episode I would show you what this guy could do and how much fun it was to create on such an old machine. Okay, let's go dig into it. All right, everybody, let's go have a look at it. Look at how stylish this computer is. Back in the late 80s, this thing was amazing. It could do all kinds of things, play games. You could paint. There's painting programs. There's programs to make little video games. And of course, my favorite thing was music. Amiga Workbench. This is the disk you need to boot up your system from the old Amiga 500. So let's put in the boot disk and see what happens. Amazing graphics. Okay, we got the amazing med software playing from the Amiga 500. So now I'm going to put a trusty old disk in. And I'm going to load up a song. Well, you're going to be amazed at how good this sounds. It's trying hard. All right, let's check it out. So as you could see, there is 4 tracks working here, and you didn't have any more than that to play with. Like nowadays you have like a million. But back in the day we made it work, and it was a lot of fun. If you could get your hands on one of these, it might be a lot of fun for you to play around with. You got to get one of these Amigas though. Till next time, this is Retro Rewind.